Now, it turned out to be a really good day, so I thought I'd just pull off into a parking lot here and get all set up and program the drone and take it from here and find a nice little countryside road in the old outback. And one of the things that really keeps me content here is the hundreds, if not thousands, of backcountry trails around this country. They lead into some of the nicest, most quaint little villages, and for me it's just a great day out to be filming it and bringing it to other people. And I don't know, it's on 18 years here, and I still am finding new places around the country. In fact, I'm hoping to take a 1-week trip in the near future. But some of these roads kind of remind me like the old Beatles tune, A Long and Winding Road, where you just don't know where you're going to quite end up. And I just love all the little farm communities, and I'll stop off so often and I'll have a beer with people and just sit there, enjoy one of my cigars, and continue on to the next little place, And I thought I'd head inland a bit and do a double back, and I stopped for a couple of beers and enjoyed that with some of the locals there. And continued on the road, and eventually I knew it was going to head down to the coast, as most do. And you can always just enjoy nature and just enjoy being away from all the kind of volatility going on in so many places of the world, and just friendly people. Ever since we've taken the time many, many years ago to learn to speak a reasonable Spanish, for us it's opened up so many doors, and we just love knowing that we've helped so many people to a better quality life in this area. And just the simplicity of it, coming from someone that, 25 years ago lived a very complicated life. After an adjustment period, I just realized, as they say in the Kabbalah, there's everything in nothing and nothing in everything. And boy, have I learned to enjoy that. You can always tell, though, when you're heading back towards the coastline, as you'll find more and more houses and just, a little bit bigger communities. And as you head on down, it's just a great way to spend an afternoon. It costs you next to nothing except a little bit of fuel or diesel. And so many times Leanne and I will just stop at a new place for lunch, and before you know it, there you go. The coastline's back in view, and I'm going to head on down there and see where it ends up. And one never knows. There's so many great little out-of-the-way spots that I know. I think I'm going to just head to this little pocket-sized beach here and maybe finish off there. And, after I arrived, I said, you know what, this is too beautiful to pass up. So I just sat down and grabbed me another beer from the truck and just really sat under a tree, enjoyed how beautiful the day was, and really just pondered on about how lucky we are to be in an area of the world that is just not experiencing the volatility and the hatred that so many other parts of the world are currently experiencing. Nothing's ever perfect, but I can tell you what, you can sure do a lot worse. So a lot of people would consider, or should consider, voting with your feet. There's so many great places. Until next time.